Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over the different steps that we follow in order to set up the Drip app from our workflow apps. Actually, this is a tool that's going to help you automate different actions such as to create or update a subscriber, to tag a subscriber, to delete a subscriber, or to remove a subscriber tag directly from your workflow app into your Drip account. So let's get the ball rolling. First off, you got to make sure that you connect and that your agency is linked to it. So how do we go about it? You just have to come up here at link accounts, and you come down here at link agency. You open in your window on marketplace where you just have to select the agency that you want to link. So you select the particular agency, and you also allow access to other sub account and enable automatic future installation. Why do we do it? Just to make sure that our tools continue working with the existing sub accounts as well as the future ones. Once you're done with it, you go and proceed. And then you switch back to select the appropriate workflow apps. So we want this time to install and connect the app in our agency. Let's go on workflow apps. As you can see, we have available apps and install apps. So in order to get the app installed, the apps of course are going to be available here. For example, for new members, if this is your first experience doing this, if you type Drip, since it's already installed within this agency, you just have to go and install apps. We have install apps. And this time, in order to get the application installed within your agency, you just have to go at the setup. And again, you have to follow the same process, like to select the agency where you want the tool to be installed, right? And of course, an auto access and proceed. This time, the app is already installed within our agency. So we just have to go and copy the custom menu link. The purpose of it is to create a custom menu link within our agency. So we switch to our agency level. We come down here at settings. We look for the custom menu link and we try to create one. Bingo. We have to fill this form. We can select the appropriate icon for our custom menu link. We have different icons here. Afterwards, we type a particular name here for our custom menu link. How we're going to name our custom menu link. For example, we decided to name our custom menu link My Apps. We'll check it later. Here we paste the custom menu link that we copied, and when we're done, we save. And this time we switch to our sub account and look for My Apps. Actually, My Apps is how we decided to name our custom menu link. If you guys decided to name your custom menu link My Application, for example, make sure you have My Applications here. Let's go in My Apps. This step here is to connect the tool to our Drip account. Since it's already connected, we just have to go on connected apps, Drip. But like I just said, if this is your first time, the app is going to be at the apps available. In order to get the app connected to your Drip account, you just have to go on setup, right? And you have to paste your API key and your account ID. So how do we get it? If you notice here, we have how to get your API key, right? It's going to lead you to the smart queue, giving you the guides that we follow in order to get that API key. But let me show you how it works. Let's go on our Drip account. We come down here at settings. We go on account. Very simple. And we come down here and there you go. We have the account ID. Let's just copy. Now let's go and look for the API key. We switch back. We come here at user settings. There you go. We have our API token. So let's just copy and switch it back to our sub account and get it pasted and submit. Bingo. This is very amazing, guys, because we just connect our tool to our Drip account. Now we're able to go on our workflow and test some actions. Actually, we're going to have another video where we're going to go over all the actions inside our workflow app. Thank you guys for watching. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team was available 24/7. You can also leave some comment, chat with us on our Facebook page.